currently 7 o'clock. Crew's waiting for me at the spot. This time I'm late. So Sunday morning ride. We're gonna go to Long Beach today and ride the beach. So join us for that ride.
There you go.
That sounds healthy.
Sounds healthy. Queen Mary first. So the path to the riverbed, it's kind of towards the lighthouse that we go, the light tower.
Okay, so let's do this one first. The left, and then the lighthouse.
Everyone, you are dropping by the pool.
I'm just looking at it, makes me nervous.
Come on, man.
Don't worry, I'll catch up. We started this ride just west of Cherry on Shoreline Way, right off the beach. Our first stop was the Shoreline Marina. That's where you see JR on the fixie. And from there we went to the coffee shop over at Shoreline Village. It's always a good place to go. Their coffee is really good. From there we went over to the lighthouse. To get to the lighthouse, you have to pass the aquarium and go around the old Shoreline Village lagoon. And so I guess now it's called Shark Lagoon. After the lighthouse, if you look out into the water, there's an amazing mural. Then we got on the LA River bike path. At Willow, we did a U-turn. From there, we ended up at And Waffles. It's right there on First and Pine. From there, we just finished the route. Rode down Ocean Boulevard. Would recommend getting back on the bike path. It's just safer. The stats for the ride were 13 miles. It was probably 14, give or take, but it just depends on where you start and stop. And you see the ride mission. Beach miles, coffee, waffles, did all that. Great ride with the crew. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Boat ride.
Oh, nice.
Long Beach. It was a 2.5-hour ride.
You know, we're going to host the Olympic volleyball.
With the whole subway station.
Oh, yeah?
Long Beach is gonna hold like a swimming event.
Oh, nice.
All the swimming events?
What do you call it?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's the new structure they're making down there for Long Beach. Oh, they're already sold out?
What is this, a
No,
ring?
not yet. I think they'll open it soon. Photo right next to the finish line.
Yeah, we should. Like, we did something, huh?
Yeah. That'll be funny.
So this is the Marina Green between the bike path and Shoreline Drive. It's where they host the Long Beach Grand Prix, the Jazz Festival, and a bunch of other concerts and events. They also host the Long Beach Marathon right back here, just on the right side of the bike path. People live in these boats, so it can get pretty busy. You have to watch out for people walking, but also the people that live around there. At the end of this path, we'll make a left and head over to Shoreline Marina for our first stop. Queen Mary. This is the backside of the docks. This is where you get to see the Queen Mary. There's a photo op, and at the end of this path is the Shoreline Marina.
Zarks.
A little backwards action.
Yeah.
Zarks.
That should be one of those kids were
Only thing you can do there is relax, right?
relaxed.
Oh.
Hey. Yeah.
Erica's putting some video?
Yeah, viral. Go viral with that.
Hey. You got it all? How much it cost you?
Yeah, that's the one right there you dropped on.
Thought I had a shot, but it was just an offshoot. With extra gas to take me off route.
It's a boat tour and dinner. And you play the murder mystery game. You gotta give them a fake name.
But I guess asking was the issue. That's the issue. Can't be shaky with what you commit to. Hard to paint the bigger picture when they artificial. All throughout humanity, you know the cards against you. But we still play. Getting wilder till this day. Dodge of fury, that's word of Deontay. It's been a calm day.
I got it.
How much it cost you? You bound to fall, them demons caught you. Hey, yeah. You got it all? How much it cost you? Hey, I'm still running shit, it's just a different race. Getting placed, stacking up a bag and always giving thanks to everything that got me here. It made me who I am today.
We'll crop dust them. Nice. Got it. One for the books.
City walls now.
You good? So I think tickets are gonna be roughly around $110.
Total or each?
Yeah. So there's 92 and then like. What? This is 710 already, right?
Yeah.
We're on the right time. Okay. Where's your Falero? What? You did that? The big one? The big one, yeah. You did that one? Yeah. You guys wanna go? We would ride that thing with the mini motos. Oh, it's really? So scary, bro.
Think you got it all mapped out. Sound so self-assured when you talk about you gon' let the world make your dreams come true. I fooled you twice. Let you think you know it all. Think you had your back against the wall. Now it's time to get your bait. Never have another rainy day. What a shame. I fooled you twice.
Zarks.
I fooled you twice.